I'm Molly and I'm the HR generalist here. I've been the HR generalist for about 2 years now. I do everything people related, so anything from compensation and benefits to recruiting. The most interesting aspect about what I get to do is I get to work with and form relationships with all levels of employees, anywhere from entry level up to the executives. My favorite services that we provide that help team members succeed is anything from the EAC, which is our Employee Assistance Center, to Allegro Coaching, which is health and well-being, to Michigan Works, Natalie, that comes in every week. All services are completely free to our team members, and it allows them to get free services for anything for mental health awareness to physical health and well-being to financial and personal goals. I believe operational excellence has helped both the company and the team members in many ways. The first way being that it allows team members to give feedback. This feedback allows team members to improve their work environment as well as our fabrication processes. This year we've also added safety onto our operational excellence boards to help increase awareness. By increasing awareness, we're hoping that all team members go home in the same manner that they came to work.